Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of OPPO A54 smartphone. So you can see the box of OPPO A54. You can see the internal storage. This comes with 128 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM. Two more variants are also available. Comes with 128 and 64 4 GB RAM. So here you can see the box of OPPO A54. Now quickly open it up. Okay, so here we get the small box. Let's see what we get inside it. So you can see this is the SIM ejector tool, reading manuals, and guys, this is the transparent back case. This is the light transparent back case, lightweight. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So you can see here's the phone itself. You can see here's the phone itself. If we talk about the color, it is in moonlight gold color, crystal black and steady blue color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type-C to USB cable. Okay, here we get the USB Type-C to USB cable. And guys, this is the big charger. And if we talk about its output, okay, it is a 18-watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, now keep all this thing aside and come to the phone. Okay, so you can see the highlighted features: 5000 mAh long lasting battery, 18-watt fast charge, 16 megapixel AI selfie and eye care punch hole display. Okay, now quickly remove this plastic cover and you can see the phone. If we talk about the design, you can see it has a gradient looks. You can see it has a gradient looks. Phone looks good. And if we talk about the weight, it is of 192 gram. Not very heavy. Lightweight, I would like to say. And if we talk about its a physical overview, in top we get nothing. On this side we get the SIM tray. Now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So guys, this is a really good thing. It has a triple slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And it's the volume up and down key. And on bottom it has 3.5mm headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and this is the main speaker. And on this side it has power on off button with the side mounted fingerprint sensor. Okay, and if we talk about the camera, it has a triple rear camera, 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and here we get a dual LED flash. And you can see AI over there, you can see AI camera. And on front it has 16 megapixel punch hole front camera. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Helio P35 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.51 inches HD plus IPS LCD punch hole display. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the internal storage, it comes with 128, 128 and 64 6 GB internal storage. It has triple rear camera, 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. It has 5000 mAh battery which supports 18-watt fast charging. If we talk about the software, it is running on Android 10 Color OS 7.2, and for better security it has a fingerprint, side mounted fingerprint and a face unlock. So here you can see I have set the device. This is the UI of OPPO A54 smartphone. Okay, if we slide from top we get the notification bar. Here we get the quick settings and this is the brightness adjustment settings. If we slide from bottom we get the app drawer. Okay, the UI of this smartphone is smooth. You can see the UI of this smartphone is really smooth. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. If we go in storage, so you can see 111 GB available out of 128 GB. Okay, now quickly go back. You can see OTG connection over there. You can enable OTG connection like this. Just enable it to turn on the OTG connection. And you can see many features: app management, app cloner, game space, and split screen. Okay, now quickly go to about phone and check its software information. Okay, you can see the device name, version, and if you talk about the ColorOS version, it is version 7.2, and the Android version is Android 10. And here's the Android security patch level of April 5, 2021. And you can also see here the device storage 111 GB available out of 128 GB, and you can see the RAM 4 GB. The UI of the smartphone is really smooth. And if we talk about the camera, here some shots I have taken with the OPPO A54 smartphone in indoor lighting and outdoor lighting condition in different modes. And if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock, quickly check this out. If we talk about the face unlock, I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlock. You can see I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. Yes, the face unlock of this smartphone is really good. You can see I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. And if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint, I put the finger and it unlock. You can see I put and it unlock. I put and it unlock. You can see I put the finger and it unlock. And guys, the good thing is it has IPX4 rating. Yes, it has splash and waterproof, which is a really good thing. So you can see guys, the side mounted fingerprint and face unlock both are really very fast and responsive. You can see I put the finger and it quickly unlock. Instantly, you can see it is instantly unlock. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A54 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this smartphone, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.